You're welcome to VINDAL'S concept. In today's class, we are going to have fun and enjoy ourselves with this topic called integration by parts. And I have this number one question. Evaluate the integral of e raised to power 2x cos 2x dx. Okay, we are going to start by using this principle called Layet. I'm going to use this Layet. So I'm going to use Layet. So what is this Layet? In this part one, I'm just going to say that L belongs to logarithm or log, and such log include ln x, or sometimes you see log x to base e. Then where I represent the inverse, okay? And the inverse can be seen in the case of sine inverse or maybe cos inverse, all right? And the third letter there is A, will represent algebra, and that algebra could be things like x squared, maybe 2x, and probably anything in x, normal algebra. Then T represent trigonometry, and that trigonometry can be seen just like you have sine x and cos x and so on and so forth, okay? And then E is the same thing as the exponent, just like the one we have in this question, probably e to the power x, or let's say 3 to power x, and so on and so forth. Now the question is, how do we use this Layet in integration by part? And before I continue, I want you to know that this integration by part is e to the power 2x multiplied by cos 2x. Before coming here, you must have wondered, what is this integration by parts and how do we apply them? Whenever you are having two integrals multiplying each other, or two functions multiplying each other, this is multiplying this. So we have what is called integration by parts in order to be able to solve them, right? Now, and this integration by parts usually have this formula. Let me say u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du, okay? So this is the formula of the integration. Now, the essence of using this Layet is to make sure that one of these functions that are multiplying by each other, one will be given as u, and the other one will be given as dv. Now, see where the problem comes. If you take the wrong function to give u when it is supposed to be dv, then you run into very big problem. And one of the things I like to do, especially when I want to have fun, I'll just try something different and to see how difficult it is. So in that case, how do we use this Layet in order not to run into such problem? And when you are trying to practice such a thing, let it better be in your house and not be in the exam hall, or when you are teaching students. Don't face such problems. It's very embarrassing and it's very poor. All right. So how to use Layet is this. First of all, you follow the order as the differentiation. So I can call this one number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. And let's apply it in this problem. The first thing I'm having here, do I have log function? No. Between e to the power 2x cos 2x dx, do I have any log function? No. So I don't need RL. Do I have inverse? No, I don't have inverse. So this is going out. Do I have algebraic function? No, I do not have algebraic function. Do I have trigonometric function? Yes, I have trigonometric function. And trigonometric function comes before the exponential function. Therefore, the first must be given to u. Therefore, if you solve this in this way, you're going to get it wrong. So I'm going to call this place dv, and this is going to be my u. Therefore, I'm going to say that u is equal to cos x, alright? Because trigonometry comes first, and I have to say u must be first, and that u is coinciding with trigonometric function. And the second one is the v, which is this. So I'm going to say that the v is going to be equal to e to the power 2x, then multiply by the x. So if you look at this, there are two functions here. Let me clean this thing to avoid confusion, okay? Alright, so at this point now, everything concerning, look at this, everything concerning cos 2x is for, oh sorry, this is 2 is supposed to be here. Everything concerning cos 2x is for u, and everything concerning e to the power 2x multiplied by the x is called the v. This is the v, and this is just u. Alright, with this understanding, can we go straight to solve this problem and have fun with it? Let's clean up. Let's clean up. It's going to be a long day, and let's enjoy it. Okay, I am going to say, using the formula, we have already established the fact that this is e to the power 2x cos 2x dx, okay? And this is equal to u v minus v du, okay? So this is the formula I'm going to be putting in, and in that case, and this is going to be equal to the first u. Remember, I'm going to say u is equal to cos 2x, alright? Now I'm going to derive the u with respect to x, and this is going to be, when you differentiate cos 2x, you're going to have minus 2 sine 2x, alright? Then multiply by dx. Because remember, when you are saying du, is going to be du over dx, but when you clear the fraction, it's going to multiply each other and appear here. So this is dx going to be here. Alright? So the next one is going to be dv. Remember what we said, dv is going to be e to the power 2x dx, alright? Now, once you have given what dv is, you need to integrate both sides in order to get what is v. And v is going to be the same thing as, when you integrate e to the power 2x, you are going to have e to the power 2 raised to power x divided by 2, right? So I have gotten my u, I've gotten my v, I've gotten my v, I have gotten my du. So let us put them in this order. So u comes first, and this is going to be cos 2x, and that is my u. And then v is going to be e to the power 2x divided by 2, right? And then this is going to be minus the integral of v is also e to the power 2x all over 2 multiplied by du is going to be everything as negative 2x, negative 2 sine 2x all multiplied by dx, right? So this is what we have gotten. Now let us simplify it. Let me use a black color. So this is going to be equal to, I would like e to the power 2x to come first. Then this is cos 2x. Then remember this minus and this minus, they are multiplying, they will turn to be plus. So I will have plus. And remember this is 2, is going to cancel this 2, alright? So I'm going to have the integral of e to the power 2x multiplied by sine 2x dx. All right, now this is what I have. If you look at this very well, a very close examination will find that out. From all the way to this place, we have gotten it. But then from here, let me use the blue color to highlight it. Now from here to this place is a new question that has come up from the evaluation of this. So what we are going to do is we are going to solve this particular problem again. Now, but we need to be careful so that there won't be a confusion. So what I'm going to do is I am going to write the answer in this format. So let me write this answer here. All right. So now I'm going to do this again. So this is the first one I did. All right. Let me do this now. Look at the second one. This is the second thing I'm going to integrate. E to the power 2x sine 2x dx. All right. And this is going to be equal to whatever I get here, I will slot it in this place. So when I come here, I'm just going to clean this place and put the answer I'm going to get here. So this is what I'm going to do. And remember, I'm still going to follow the order UV. So what we are doing is just repeating what we did before with a different question that was formed. See a new question that was formed. So my U, remember, I'm still going to follow Liet. My U is going to be a trig function, which is sine 2x. Then if I differentiate the U with respect to x, I'm going to have 2 cos 2x, then multiply by dx. I am sure somebody may be wondering, what am I doing? How am I getting this integral? Think it's good you also go back to learn your integration, your differentiation better before coming here. But I will try my best to also show you how I'm doing this. But let's get our answer first. Then I can come back and throw more light. So that is why you have to watch to the end for you to get the full gist. So I'm going to have my dv is going to be equal to, dv is going to be e to the power 2x multiplied by dx. All right. So v is going to be equal to e to the power 2x all over 2. I am integrating this now. Then that is it. Now I'm going to put it inside this place. Inside here. I'm going to put it here. Just be patient and follow as I go through. So u comes first, and that is going to be sine 2x multiplied by, after u, the next thing is v, and v is e to the power 2x over 2. Now this is minus. I'm also going to put my minus and bring my integral sign. V is e to the power 2x over 2. Then the u is going to be everything here. This is the u. Excuse me. And this is going to be 2 cos 2x dx. All right. So let us simplify further. So if you look at this, you see that 2 is here and 2 is here. So I'll cancel. So everything is going to be equal to, I would like to write e to the power 2x divided by 2 first, then sine, no, don't act. And this is going to be sine 2x. Then this is going to be minus the integral of e to the power 2x cos 2x dx. Alright, so let's take everything here and slot here. If you check very well, look at what I want you to see. If you check very well, The question I'm solving is this, and this is where I'm doing, this is where I'm going, and this is the second place I am. It is this particular problem now that I have solved, and it has given me this thing, this particular function at this point. So what I'm going to do is I will remove this and replace it with this one in order to continue my trend. So what I'm going to do is to do some cleanup. Okay, so I'm going to clean from here. So I'm also going to clean here so that I'm going to have a better space for my work. Okay, so let me also clean this part. All right now. Okay, so I have removed that, so I'm going to put this. This is going to be plus e to the power 2x all over 2 sine 2x minus, then this is e to the power 2x cos 2x dx. Okay, so this is the stage we are now. Let me clean this too. All right. Therefore, see how far we have gone. So we are at this point now where we have the integral of e to the power 2x cos 2x dx is equal to everything here from here all the way to this place is what we have gotten. So this is e to the power 2x all over 2 cos 2x, and this is going to be plus e to the power 2x all over 2 sine 2x minus the integral of e to the power 2x cos 2x dx. All right, now see the place where I love so much. I just love it so much, you know, because when you get to this point, you realize that everything here is same thing as everything here. So what will common sense do? It's collecting like terms now. So what I'm going to do, I am going to add e to the power, the integral of e to the power 2x cos 2 theta dx to both sides. And that simply means, because of the space, you know, of my board, so that simply means I'm going to have, if I carry this to the other side of the equation, it's going to be plus. So this is going to be 2, the integral of e to the power 2x cos 2x dx. All right? So it's minus. If I carry it to this place, it will be plus. So when it is plus, it becomes 2 of the integral of e to the power 2x cos 2x dx. And this is going to be equal to e raised to power 2x over 2 cos, no, don't act up, never you. So this is going to be cos 2x plus e to the power 2x over 2 sine 2x. This has gone out already, so this is out. Now at this point, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to divide both sides by 1 over 2. So that's going to be also multiplying this place by 1 over 2 is the same thing as dividing both sides by 1/2. So, and this will cancel this. So let me clean the upper part and have a space to finish my work. So I'm going to remove this. Okay, so, and this is going to be, after doing this, so I'm doing it here to finish up. So I'm going to have the integral of e to the power 2x cos 2x dx is equal to, now remember 1/2 is as 1/2 multiplied by this is going to be e to the power 2x over 4. Remember, because this 2 is going to multiply this 2. Then I have cos 2x plus, and this also multiply this one is going to be e to the power 2x all over 4 sine 2x, and everything is going to be factoring this out. This and this, they are common, so I'm going to factor it. So it's going to be e to the power 2x over 4 bracket open. We have cos 2x plus sine 2x, then plus the constant. This is the answer. Thank you for being part of this one. Remember, it is very good to encourage what you are doing here. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow. Bye.